Linking your bank account to your Patreon account is essential for receiving payments as a creator. Follow these steps to set up your bank details correctly. Step 1. Log into your Patreon account. Visit the Patreon website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are accessing your creator account to manage your payment settings. Step 2. Navigate to Payout Preferences. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SSOC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Choose your payment method. In the Payout Preferences, you will see options for payment methods. Select the option to add a bank account. This may be labeled as Add Bank Account or similar. Step 4. Enter your bank details. Fill in the required fields with your bank information, including your account number and routing number. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues with payments. Step 5. Save changes and verify. After entering your bank details, save the changes. You may need to verify your bank account through a small test deposit that Patreon will make. Follow any additional instructions provided to complete the verification process. By following these steps, you can successfully link your bank account to your Patreon account and start receiving payments. If you encounter any issues, check the help section on Patreon for further assistance.